Pennsylvania climate summary for yesterday, January 5th, 2021. Yesterday's high temperature
first
was 35
RWT
degrees,
of the year.
record high of 66 degrees, which was set in
For
1997,
KIH.
and the low 31 degrees. The record low is minus 6 degrees, which was...
Oh, this is gonna go off first.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device at this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast